A bridge is faster and cheaper today. Here's what it can cost you in 10 years. I'm Dr. Armin Abron here at DC Perio Implants. Two good options, two very different long-term stories. But the main difference between a bridge and implant is that with a bridge, you're making one tooth problem into a three-teeth problem. With an implant solution, you're keeping that problem or the missing tooth a single tooth solution. But there are instances where there is no sufficient bone present or the anatomy impedes on our options. In a scenario like this, a bridge may be the better option for you. Well, with a dental implant, it is a solution that does not involve the adjacent teeth. However, with a bridge, as you're aware, you have to shave down your adjacent teeth to create a bridge to cover that gap where the missing tooth is. Unfortunately, long-term, it also will limit you with your flossing and oral hygiene habits. So if any issues arise with the neighboring teeth, such as a cavity or bone loss, unfortunately, the whole bridge may need to be replaced. How do you help a patient weigh costs now versus costs later? We believe the best option is to have a consultation so we can determine your individual need and also inform you to the best of our ability what the long-term costs may involve and what the short-term cost is. Each individual case is different, therefore individualized plan is most suited to answer this question. If you're weighing your options, coming for a consultation, we look at your scans together and you will leave knowing exactly what you're working with. Call us or book online at dcperio.com.